Hi, I'm Ms. Boong. Let's explore prisms. Now, prisms have the same cross-section all along its length. What is a cross-section? So here I have a shape. If I chop it, then I will get a cross-section. So that's a cross-section right there. And the shape is a rectangle. Now, a prism means no matter where I cut it, I'm going to get the same cross-section all along its length. And the second thing that makes it a prism is there's two identical ends that are polygons. So the top and the bottom are polygons. According to these two statements, which of these are prisms? Have a guess. So these three are prisms and these two are not. Let's see why. So that one there has a cross section of a triangle, top and bottom are the same. So that's a prism. That one has a cross section of an octagon, top and bottom are the same, so a prism. And that one has a consistent cross section as a diamond, top and bottom are the same, polygons, so that is a prism. This one is not a prism even though it has the same cross section because they are not polygons. The top and bottoms are circles. And lastly, this is not a prism because it doesn't have the same cross section. What about these? Can you circle all the prisms? Pause the video, give it a go, and unpause to check your answers. So here are the prisms. Thank you for watching, and I hope that clarified what is a prism and what isn't. And I'll see you next time. Bye!